students, how are you? Hi students, how are you? Now we are going to the new topic. Before going to the topic, we are going to the basics of the topic. Now I am taking 2 points and join them. We can get a line segments because it is having 2 endpoints. Now I am taking 3 line segments which forms a closed figure like this. What is the name of this figure? Yes, very good. This figure name is triangle. Triangle. We learn about this triangle in 7th class. Now, triangle having 3 line segments. In this triangle ABC, AB is a line segment, BC is a line segment, AC is a line segment. 3 line segments and 3 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, and also 3 vertices A, B, C. Now I am taking one more line segment, that means 4 line segments. From these 4 line segments we can form a new figure. This is. Now what is the shape of this figure? Yes, very good. This figure name is quadrilateral. This figure name is quadrilateral. What do you know about quadrilateral? See here, I am taking a quadrilateral name is ABCD. In this quadrilateral, how many sides we have? Yes, very good. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the name of that 4 sides? The first side is AB line segment, and the second line is BC line segment, and CD line segment, and DA line segment. Totally 4 sides. That means a quadrilateral having 4 sides. Similarly, how many vertices? Once count it. A, B, C, D. Totally 4 vertices. 4 vertices. What is that? A, B, C, and D. These 4 are the vertices of this quadrilateral. And we have 4 angles. 4 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. These 4 are the angles. That means a quadrilateral having 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles. And we have, if you join opposite vertex A and C, we get a diagonal. How many diagonals we got in this? See here, A and C are the opposite, one diagonal, B and D are the one more. Then we have a quadrilateral having 2 diagonals. Totally how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. In this triangle, in this quadrilateral ABCD, the name of the diagonals are AC and BD. AC and BD are the 2 diagonals. If you observe ABC, it is a triangle. And also if you observe ACD, it is also a triangle. Okay, now if you observe, if you take this is a point O, now how many triangles we form in this? 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, and 4 triangles. And also ABC is a triangle, ACD is a triangle, ABD is a triangle, BCD is a triangle. Now this is about the quadrilaterals. In these quadrilaterals, how to construct a quadrilateral. About this we can learn in this topic. Now our topic name is constructions of a quadrilateral. Constructions of a quadrilaterals. If you construct a quadrilateral, how many measurements we want? How many measurements you want? We can. If you want to construct a quadrilateral, we want totally 5 measurements. How many measurements? 5 measurements. Once see here, if you want to construct a quadrilateral, either 4 sides and 1 angle. If you have 4 sides and 1 angle, you can construct a quadrilateral. Otherwise, 4 sides and 1 diagonal. 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Total 5 measurements. And 3 sides, 2 diagonals. 3 sides, 2 diagonals, or 4 sides, 1 diagonal, or 4 sides, 1 angle. And here 2 adjacent sides, side by sides. 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. Here also 5 measurements. Here also 5 measurements. 5 measurements. Otherwise 3 sides and 2 included angles. 3 sides and 2 included angles. Totally 5 measurements. If you want to construct a quadrilateral, we want in these 5, you can take any 5 measurements and construct a quadrilateral. If you construct a quadrilateral, we get some types of quadrilaterals. See here, types of quadrilateral. First, you have to construct a quadrilateral. We want 5 measurements. Quadrilateral, we want 5 measurements. In this, first we are going to the trapezium. First type is trapezium. Trapezium means one opposite side is one pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel, then we get a trapezium. That means the figure will be like this. Maybe remaining sides, whatever the shape. But these two sides are just parallel. Remaining sides may be parallel or may not be parallel. Now this name is trapezium. And the second type, parallelogram. Second type, parallelogram. What is the parallelogram? Trapezium means one pair of opposite sides are parallel. If you two pair of opposite sides are parallel, not one side, now it is two sides. That means this pair is parallel and also this. That means if you take a quadrilateral ABCD, AB is parallel to CD as well as AD is parallel to BC, and also AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD, then ABCD we called as a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, then the figure name is parallelogram. Now in this parallelogram, each angle is 90 degrees. In parallelogram, each angle is 90 degrees, then we get a rectangle. That means it will be straight. Here it is 90, 90, 90, 90. Then it is a rectangle. In a parallelogram, each angle is 90 degrees. Then we get a rectangle. Then we get a rectangle. What is the parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Then the name is parallelogram. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Then the name is trapezium. These are the three types. Now we are going the fourth type of the quadrilateral. All sides are equal. All sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. All sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Now I am taking a figure. Now see here, I am taking A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD equal to AD. All the measurements are equal, and also opposite sides AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to CD. Then we called as a rhombus. In this rhombus, diagonals AC and BD are the perpendicularly bisect. AD and BD are the perpendicularly bisect. All the sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel is called, it is a square. The name of this quadrilateral is square. Now in this square, all angles are equal to 90 degrees. In this square, all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. The type of 5. That means all sides equal. All angles are equal to 90 degrees. All angles are equal to 90 degrees is called a square. Is called square. Now all angles are equal to 90 degrees and all sides are equal, then it is a square. Now last type, this is called kite. Kite. Adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal. Kite. That means like this. Here these two sides, if you take AB, CD is a kite, AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD, then ABCD is a kite. These are the types of the quadrilateral. Now the block diagram of the quadrilaterals. Once see, this is the mind mapping of the quadrilaterals. Yeah, here it is a quadrilateral. From this quadrilateral we get a trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is a trapezium. Two pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is a parallelogram. In this parallelogram each angle is 90, we get a rectangle. In this parallelogram all sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. In this rhombus all angles are 90, it is a square. And the special quadrilateral is kite. Pair of adjacent sides are equal. In this case these two are equal and these two are equal. This is about the quadrilaterals. Thank you.